I am Ignatius, Bishop of Antioch in the 1st century, a disciple of the apostles themselves. Arrested under Emperor Trajan, I was taken to Rome to be thrown to wild beasts. Along the way, I wrote letters to the churches, urging them to remain united under their bishops and faithful to Christ. I am God's wheat, I wrote, and I shall be ground by the teeth of beasts, that I may become the pure bread of Christ. My heart burned for union with my Lord, desiring not escape but fidelity to the end. I was martyred around the year 107, my blood a seed for the church. To you I say, do not fear suffering for the name of Christ. Unity, obedience, and love are the marks of true discipleship. Let your faith be strong, your hope firm, your love without measure.